Hi mga igala, Maestra Judy here. Welcome to Cebuano101.com. Today, I am going to give you an updated lesson of the days of the week. The one on the site is quite old. I believe that I should update that lesson. The audio is quite awful as well. The downloadable audio is okay, but the video lesson, the audio there is quite awful. So that's why I decided to create an updated lesson. So today, days of the week. Let's start. Monday, lunes, lunes, lunes. Tuesday, martes, martes. Wednesday, miércoles, miércoles, miércoles. Thursday, jueves, jueves, jueves. Friday, viernes, viernes, viernes. Okay. Saturday, sábado, sábado. Sunday, domingo, domingo. Okay, let's have a recap. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Okay, so I'll give you some sample sentences here. The first one, birthday nako sa Sabado. Birthday nako sa Sabado. Uy, birthday nako sa Sabado. It's my birthday on Saturday. Let's break it down. Birthday or birthday is birthday. Nako is a personal pronoun, my. Sa is on, in, at. Okay, that's a preposition, in, on, at. Okay, Sabado, Saturday. Normally, when telling time, we normally put sa before the time. Like in this case, sa Sabado. Here, I just want to break it down to you guys, the sequence of the sentence. If there is an event, any event we normally put at the beginning of the sentence. Like in this case, I put birthday at the beginning of the sentence. If it's about wedding, you can also put kasal here at the beginning of the sentence. Kasal nako sa Sabado. It's my wedding on Saturday. Okay? So, if there is a fiesta, an event, birthday, wedding, put it at the beginning of the sentence, followed by your personal pronoun, nako, sa for your time marker, for your time, okay? If you want to learn more about constructing sentences, I encourage you guys to learn Let's Make Sentences video series on the site. Now, another example. I want to meet you on Sunday. Gusto ko makikita nimo sa Domingo. Let's break it down. I want is gusto ko. You know I is ko, right? Want is gusto. I want gusto ko. To meet, makikita. To meet, makikita. Kita is refers to your eyes. Kita means you see. Okay, when you say makikita, means to meet. Okay, you, nimo. Okay, when you're referring to the second person, use nimo. On is sa, and Sunday is domingo. Let's do it one more time. I want to meet you on Sunday. Gusto ko makikita nimo sa Domingo. The sentence construction here is, if you have the desire, the want, or the like, put it at the beginning of the sentence, just like the event. And then followed by a pronoun, and then followed by the verb, okay? And if there is a second person, put it after the verb, like in this case. and then followed by the time and then the location. To understand more again about the sentence construction, I strongly suggest watch these videos. So these are my recommended lesson, how to construct Bisaya sentences, and let's make sentences video lesson series. And another recommended lessons, we have tenses with time markers and time markers vocabulary. These are very useful in a day-to-day conversation. So I hope you guys will check on them. That's all for today, Higala. I hope you learned something. If you have any question, please use the chat box on the site. As always, I want to thank you for learning Bisaya with me and for supporting Cebuano101.com. I'll see you next time. Bye! Amping!